Here at Rolec, we continue to build on our 30-year strong foundations and solidify our position as a leading manufacturer of outdoor electrical distribution equipment, servicing the marina, leisure and EV charging industries. We innovate to stay ahead, delivering sustainable and advanced products. With full control of our roadmap, we design, develop, build and support our products in the UK. Achieving this in competitive, challenging industries is something we're proud of.
Our journey begins with meticulous research and development. Each product we create is a result of extensive R&D conducted at our centre in Nottingham. Every design undergoes rigorous CAD testing to ensure that it's not only efficient, but also exceptionally durable. The dedication to innovation sets us apart and keeps us in a leading position within our niche industries.
We understand the importance of economy and efficiency, which is why we continually refine our process to deliver products that are not only cost-effective, but also environmentally friendly. Our commitment to sustainability extends beyond the product themselves. We are proud of our award-winning packaging, which is 100% recyclable, ensuring that every aspect of our range is created with a greener future in mind. By reducing the size of our packaging, we are now shipping 50% more products per pallet and generating 33% less associated CO2 emissions.
Rolec is a trusted name in the wholesale distribution network, standing out as one of the few manufacturers to remain committed to this model since the launch of our EV charging range. We direct all customer inquiries through our trusted network of over 3,500 distributors and stockists, built over 15 years of strong partnerships with blue chip companies and leading national wholesalers. We provide specialised industry and product training to empower our distributors with the knowledge and skills they need to succeed. Additionally, our dedicated wholesale support team and experienced sales advisors are always available to assist, ensuring a seamless partnership experience.
Rolec's products are not only advanced, they are incredibly easy to install, operate and maintain. Wherever the location, our units are designed for quick, hassle-free installation, making them the perfect solution for any environment. We consistently evolve our products with technological and industry advancements, focusing on making installation easier than ever before.
Our commitment extends beyond installation. We provide dedicated on-site support and installer assistance. With a UK-based technical support team, nationally located sales and support engineers available to help every step of the way. Our friendly and reliable staff are always on hand to ensure a seamless experience from initial inquiry through to installation, project handover and aftercare.
We stand out through innovation, quality and customer experience, but most importantly, our ability to operate profitably. Our strong track record reassures our customers of longevity and continued support. How do we do it? We listen, plan and execute, driven by a diverse team passionate about reliable, sustainable and affordable innovation. We're not just building products, we're powering the future together.